Alright guys, it's your boy Nickel. Me and Junior out here. I just installed the lasfit LED light kit on my whole truck. I just wanted to show y'all around it. It's bright as shit. I know it's dark, you can't really see much, but it is what it is. Let me show you all the hazards and these switchback turn signals. Give me one sec. I'm gonna show you the inside too. The inside's really bright. All right, Junior, don't bark. See, there's switchbacks. Let's go to the back. And then one more thing for the cargo lights. I'll show you all that. Let me turn that on. Well, if I turn the damn button on. Stop, Corbin. There we go. They're bright too. If y'all got any questions, comments, or concerns, just let me know. I'm gonna try to leave the link in the description, and so y'all can order y'all's own kit. But it's a really good kit. It also does the map pockets. So, look at y'all later. Bye.